State of Texas versus Aaron Marie LaFontaine. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Holly Jackson for the state.
Orlando Castanon for defense.
And are you Aaron LaFontaine?
Yes,
All
ma'am.
right, Ms. LaFontaine, I'm going to show you what's entitled Court Admonishments and Defendant's Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes,
All
ma'am.
right. Did you understand you're charged with the offense of injury to a child, bodily injury intentionally and knowingly? That's a third-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Judge.
Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, the state recommends deferred adjudication. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, I'm showing outside the plea bargain agreement. State is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 2 years. There be a TAP evaluation, no contact with Jasmine Barner, and the BIP and parenting classes. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, ma'am.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contact.
State, any evidence?
State offers State's Exhibit 1 with all attachments.
No objection.
Court will accept into evidence State's Exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right. After reviewing State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Judge.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Just that we asked that you follow the plea agreement, Judge,
All
and
right.
that you consider holding the permanent finding in abeyance.
All right. So why is she in custody today?
She did not attend court on the October 17th date or somewhere about that time.
I had my mailing address has been recently changed. I was in the process of moving, so I never received the mail until I wasn't aware that I had a court date on that day.
And I was not able to get a hold of her.
Okay.
I didn't.
So do you have any children?
No, ma'am.
So what do you do for a living?
I work with it's like a temp agency app.
Mhm.
I have it on my phone. It's just you get jobs as you go. I work for the Lone Star Bakery right now.
Okay.
For the second plant, I believe that's a cold plant. It's just through the app. It's not like I'm not hired on full time or anything with them. It's just I apply each day and they accept my shift and I go to work.
So how long have you been doing temp work?
For about 2 weeks now, 3 weeks now.
How far did you go in school?
I got my GED.
Okay. So what are you planning on doing with the rest of your life? What's your dream job?
My dream job actually is to go to culinary school and become a chef.
So what steps are you doing to make that happen?
Nothing just yet because I haven't gotten that far ahead. I'm just now finally gotten all my legal paperwork to where I've got my ID and my social and my birth certificate, and that was a struggle actually for the past like several months for me to be able to obtain that now. So I'm all the way able to work. So I'm just.
And who are you living with?
I'm sorry.
Who do you live with?
I live with friends.
All right. And how long have you known these friends that you live with?
For better than 10 years.
And you're no longer in a relationship with this person?
No, ma'am. I'm in no relationship at all.
Okay. So how often have you been drinking?
I haven't.
Well, I mean, I'm reading the police report. In the police report, it appears that there's alcohol involved.
Yeah, I haven't been drinking.
Since
So-
that time,
Right. I haven't been drinking.
All right. During this time period, how much were you drinking?
I wouldn't say it was like a daily thing, but it was probably a few shots every other day kind of thing. Maybe, I mean, like a cocktail drink kind of, like a mixed drink. Probably like every other day, every other night.
Okay. And if you're drug tested today, what are the results going to be? And you are going to get drug tested today.
I would come up dirty for marijuana.
And anything else?
I'm not sure. I don't believe.
Okay. Why are you not sure or don't believe?
I mean, I haven't done anything other than marijuana for the past several about better than a week now.
And how often have you been doing marijuana?
Every day.
Okay. All right. Any other question?
No, Judge.
All right. This is what the court is going to do. Court is going to sentence you to 3 years deferred adjudication. There's to be no contact with minors. The BIPP course. There's to be no contact with the complainant. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person to probation. We're going to do the UA hotline. Field visits 1 time per month for 4 months. And then at probation's discretion. Do a TAP evaluation that can be done out of custody. I'm going to want sober support meetings. And there'll be 90 meetings in 90 days. There's to be 200 hours of community service restitution. If you obtain your certificate at a trade school, or if you go to culinary school and graduate, those hours will be deemed satisfied. Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful? Yes. Thank you. Proof of employment.
I would be able to obtain that from the app, I believe.
Yes, the probation will go over that with you.
Okay.
So there's to be proof of employment within 40 days.
Okay.
There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors, and recall warrant. All right. Probation, is there anything else? All right, I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes.
And because this is an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right. We can go off the record. So in this courtroom, to be successful on probation, you need to stay in communication with probation. If there's an issue with probation and you feel like they're not addressing it, you can always come back to the court.
So Judge, we're here on a compliance hearing. There was a supplemental report sent in regards to Ms. LaFontain's use of marijuana.
Mhm.
I do have some updates since last time
Yes.
this has been sent in.
Okay.
She did obtain a compassionate use
Okay.
prescription. That prescription was obtained on October the 16th,
Mhm.
and it is valid for a year. September 13th, she did complete the drug offenders education program.
Okay.
So those are the updates as far as that's concerned. I did want to make the court aware that, as you can see, she, other than what was happening, and without that prescription, she was doing fine. She completed her VIPP. She went through the entire class for the intensive outpatient treatment with us, but we could not successfully discharge her because of the positive UA.
Okay.
There has not been any reported issues in regards to her non-contact order. She's still responsible, and she knows that she has to do 200 community service hours.
All right.
Our recommendation at this point, Judge, is for us just to continue to monitor her. And we're just asking that she continues to do what she's supposed to do on probation.
All right. So I know sometimes people will say, oh, it's just marijuana, right? But in Texas, it's illegal.
Right.
And in Texas, if you use marijuana while on probation, it's a violation. And it's the same thing with alcohol. while you're on probation, you can't drink alcohol.
Mhm.
And those are the rules in Texas.
You're fine.
So
Smoked.
what I can tell you is, number one, I appreciate the fact that you've obtained your, oh, what's going on?
They're just messing with the camera. Nothing goes on to the jurors.
See, I cannot,
We'll do it after.
he's just like, no, we can't show the people. But this is what I can tell you. Oh, they do that because we're probably going to have jurors come up, and jurors are never shown on camera. So anyway, what I can tell you is,
Yeah.
I appreciate the fact that you got a prescription. That's the only way you can use marijuana if you're on probation, if you actually have a medical prescription for it. So remember, probation has informed me that that prescription is only valid for a specific amount of time.
Mm.
So after that time, if there's going to be continued use, you'll need to get another prescription filled.
Yes.
You are due to expire on November of 2026. If all goes well and you're doing great things, probation can always present to me a request for early termination. Of course, I always get the input from the state on whether they agree with it or not.
Right.
If they don't agree with it, then we'll have a hearing about it, okay?
Okay.
All right, keep up with the good work, all right?
Thank you.
Thank you.